Never seen one of these before, ladies and gentlemen. Introducing the Barracuda. Yes, fishcleaningstation.com. In a state park near you. Wouldn't you like to fillet some beastly aquatic beauties on this bad boy bar? I'm talking squirter, storage, electricity, and 360-degree chef's table, as well as another squirter. Plus the coup de grace, an emascerator. Now, yes, sir, you heard me right. An emascerator, where you can put all your fish in to be chopped up and sent straight down the hill back into the water. Chum it up. Yummy. Mmm, chum. Mmm, chum. No, I don't know what happens to it. Oh, look, there it is. Look, here's the other end. The Barracuda 3. Yeah. Wow, I mean, that's a pretty cool invention, I must say. Barracuda. Very close, Wilfred. Barracuda. It's Barracuda. It's a beautiful machine. There's 4 squirters. I was wrong. 4 hoses. Look at those hoses. Beautiful. Yeah, you see them? Beautiful hoses. How to do this for competitions. Boys, we need to clean those fish. We have 5,000 fish to clean.